Number 14, last one, write the explicit formula for this sequence. So I have two possibilities here. I can have the arithmetic sequence, which is which the explicit formula is a sub n equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d, d being the common difference. Or I could have the geometric sequence. So geometric is a sub n equals a1, again the first term, but this time times r, which is a ratio, raised to the n minus 1 power. So it wants me to write an explicit formula, which means I need to find, well, what kind of sequence it is, put it in the standard form, and then simplify where I can. So simplify it as much as I possibly can. So looking at this table is increasing. So from 1 to 9, it's increasing by 6, so that's plus 6. From 9 to 27, that is plus 18. So definitely not a linear function. So now I'm going to see, can I multiply this to get the next one? So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 27, or 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. And 81 times 3 is 243. So it looks like I'm dealing with a geometric sequence because I'm multiplying all of my a sub n's, or my y's in this case. Remember that n could also be viewed as x. A sub n can be viewed as y. So if all the y's are increasing or multiplying by 3 each time, then I'm using a geometric sequence to come up with the formula. So the geometric sequence formula is written there. So now all I got to do is plug in what I know. So a sub n, I don't know anything about that yet, so I'm just going to write it here. The first term is the first one that I'm given, so that would be 3. And then times the rate. So it's being multiplied by 3 each time. And then raised to the n minus 1 power. And you are done. That's it. So, I mean, that's the formula. If they ask me, you know, what is the 10th term in this sequence, then I would just replace n, both places, with 10. And then simplify as much as I can. I can't multiply these two things because it's being raised to a power, so this kind of keeps it separate. Until I plug in something for n, I can't multiply these two things. So in terms of being as simplified as possible, that's it. And that is the sequence that represents your table.